Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the bugs and glitches of your YouTube application. So if you are having any encounters with common bugs and glitches, then what you can do is simply tap onto your YouTube application icon, and once you do that, you need to click on the app info. Then inside the settings, you need to go to the storage usage. Then in the storage usage, simply click on the clear cache option. This will clear out the temporary cache and it might resolve your issue. Furthermore, you can also try to force stop the application by clicking on the force stop again and then try to relaunch the application. And this might fix any issues that you are encountering with your YouTube application. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.